Hello and welcome to another exciting video from DaveTech. In this one, you will learn how to use the Pop Video Drama Player app. Now, you need this application on your Android TV to use it. So head over to apps, go to Google and search for that player. So you're going to search in Pop. So if you just type in Pop Player app, you're going to see Pop Player Pro, Pop Video and Drama Player. From Google, play.google.com. This is one you want, not the first one. You want that one. So click on that one, and if you have the app already installed, you see open. If you do not have it installed, you see install. Click on install, and this app will be available in app library. You could just click open to access the app from here. And when you're in the app, be patient. This app takes a while to load. You go to 99% and it will take a couple of seconds. So just give it a minute max, and this app is going to open up. So just be patient. Grab a coffee. You got the app, so you know what you want the app to do. So just be a bit patient at 99%, and it's going to hit 100 very soon, and you can start using the app. So now this app is going to be used to stream some TV series, some movies, but it's a player basically. So all the applications in your browser, or rather in your internal storage, or any disk you have on this Android TV, you can access it using the browse option on Pop Player. So this is a video player right here. You can see popular short. You can see your video. This is on my local device. This is on the web. You could go to browser, and you could search from TikTok, Threads, Facebook, WhatsApp, X, Netflix, Venmo, Discord, Telegram. Everything is right here. So you could just search. It's a secure and private search. And under music, you could use the music player to play any songs you have on your device, as well as the convert. So you convert, you can upload a video here, and you get into MP4, MOV, AVI, MPG, and M4V rather. So that is all about this player. Whatever you want to use it for, use the same process. Get it on your Android TV and enjoy the application. If you found value in this tutorial, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.